Welcome to Best Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best campaign gadgets of 2024 that you absolutely need to know about. From innovative designs to cutting-edge functionality, these gadgets are game changers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button to stay updated with the coolest gear out there. Check out the links in the description box below to get your hands on these must-have gadgets. Starting with the ecozy Portable Ice Maker Countertop. This sleek machine is a game changer for any kitchen or office space, delivering ice in just 6 minutes per cycle. Plus, its self-cleaning feature ensures hygiene with each use, perfect for regular maintenance and pre-storage preparation. Moving on to number 4, we have the Sovaro 45 Quart Luxury Wine and Spirit Cooler, designed to elevate your outdoor entertaining. This cooler isn't just about keeping your beverages frosty, it's a statement piece with cork insulation capable of withstanding up to 1,000 degrees, ensuring your drinks stay cool even in the hottest conditions. Featuring luggage-style wheels and a sturdy handle, transporting this cooler is a breeze, whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or camping under the stars. Its durable construction includes friction hinges, a one-touch latch, rear drain plug, non-slip feet, cast aluminum side handles, and a rubber gasket in the lid, guaranteeing durability and functionality. Next up at number 3, we explore the Lewpings Camping Lantern, a versatile companion for outdoor adventures and emergencies alike. With 4,400 miles per hour rechargeable battery capacity, this lantern provides up to 80 hours of illumination on a single charge, perfect for extended camping trips or during power outages. Harnessing the power of the sun with built-in high-efficiency solar panels, it offers an eco-friendly charging option. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank via its USB port, ensuring your devices stay charged when off the grid. Taking the spotlight at number 2 is the ECOFLOW Portable Power Station Delta 2, revolutionizing portable energy solutions with its advanced features. Offering lightning-fast charging, it achieves 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes via AC input, crucial for quick home backup power needs or rapid recharges while camping. With expandable capacity up to 3 kilowatt-hours, it adapts to diverse energy demands, whether powering household appliances or supporting off-grid living. And finally, rounding out our top gadgets list is the BioLite CampStove 2 2020 model, a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking innovative tech in their camping gear. This stove not only cooks meals efficiently using sticks and twigs, but also generates electricity to charge devices via its USB port. Perfect for minimalist camping, it reduces reliance on traditional fuel sources while promoting sustainability. Its compact design and smokeless operation make it an ideal companion for backpackers and eco-conscious travelers looking to minimize their environmental footprint.